everyone, I am Dr. Yashashree Chauhan and today I will talk about topic vitamin C and its 10 benefits. Vitamin C is essential nutrient for many reasons, also known as ascorbic acid, and it is water soluble vitamin, hence we need to take it on the daily basis. We all have heard before and during this pandemic that vitamin C boosts your immunity, but it has more to do than just boosting your immunity. Did you know vitamin C plays key role in supporting your hormone balance, thyroid function? It is great for your cardiovascular health and it keep your skin looking youthful. So in this video we will talk about benefits of vitamin C for immunity, how it supports your hormone balance, its benefits for adrenal function and anxiety, what are the sources of vitamin C, daily requirement of vitamin C, and signs and symptoms if you are deficient of vitamin C. As you are likely aware, vitamin C is an important component for keeping your immunity strong, and studies have shown that it has efficacy in viral and bacterial infections like flu and pneumonia. So it's a thought that vitamin C immunity support benefits comes from its ability to help to produce white blood cells. White blood cells are body's defender against the infection. So if you are lacking of vitamin C, you are more prone to have infections. So vitamin C is an essential for healthy functioning immune system. It does not boost your immunity, but it supports your immunity to fight, to defense against viruses and bacteria. So the takeaway is that only consistent daily supplementation has more significant results. Vitamin C for pregnancy and fertility. It has great ability to increase fertility. Researchers believe that vitamin C, ascorbic acid, has a lot to do with the reproductive system. So vitamin C improves integrity of follicles and prevents aging of eggs. So it is ideal supplementation for those who are trying to improve the age of their eggs. Vitamin C for better progesterone level. Progesterone is a hormone made after ovulation. It keeps your anxiety in check. It's for better sleep, good mood, easy menstruation. Vitamin C for stress and anxiety. It is useful in making catecholamine, which is stress hormone. So if you are currently under oral contraceptive pills, you should be aware that this can deplete nutrient level in your body. So you should take daily supplementation of vitamin. So there is rumor that vitamin C causes miscarriage. So there is no such evidence to support this myth. Vitamin C is a natural antihistamine, so it can temper your seasonal allergies. Vitamin C and thyroid health. It increases iron absorption in your body and it is antioxidant. So it is believed that supplementation of vitamin C increases functioning of T3, T4 and TSH. It is powerful antioxidant which gives you better heart health and memory. Vitamin C for healthy skin. If someone is lacking of vitamin C, they will have rough, dry and inflamed skin. And daily supplementation of vitamin C increases collagen production in the skin. So it will reduce dark spot on your skin, it will reduce fine line and wrinkles, and it will give you fresh looking skin. So what are the sources of vitamin C? Our focus should be that it should be obtained from diet. So sources are strawberries, tomatoes, kiwi, papaya, pineapple, lemon, tomatoes. How much amount of vitamin C we should take daily in our diet? Daily allowance of vitamin C in adults are 75 mg for female, 85 mg for pregnant female, 120 mg for breastfeeding women and 95 mg for men. But we should keep in mind that daily requirement of vitamin C can be increased during illnesses. If you are deficient of vitamin C, you will have lethargy, weakness, bruising, brittle nails, bleeding gums, tooth loss. Hopefully, after hearing some of the benefits of vitamin C, you are interested in optimizing your levels. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section and please subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Yashashree Chauhan. Thank you.